Adding keywords on Squarespace is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're done, you're gonna find the website that you wanna add keywords for. Go to the left sidebar. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click on website, and on the website you're gonna come to SEO/AIO. Now here we're gonna use AI to optimize your website, and as you can see, the AI has already found some issues. It has what you've done correct. It's marked it as correct. So with this one, you are missing two alternate text on two images, and imagine that your website has a lot of images. It will be an issue finding that particular image. So what you can do is you can click on optimize here. Click on optimize, and it's gonna scan your site. So here it's gonna tell you the images that does not have alternate text, and just like it's been able to find these images, it's gonna, if there are other problems, it's gonna find that for you. And what you can do is so it's been able to create a solution for your problem. So these images have no alternate text, but it's been able to get you some alternate text. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go through this text and ensure that they match what the image describes, because this text is what is gonna display if the images are unable to display. So in a sense where your website is loaded for text only, the reader or the viewer is able to know what the image is by adding this text. Now, if you don't like these images, you can definitely click on regenerate, and it's going to regenerate a new text for your image. And if there are other headers that don't have text, also it's going to do that for them. And once you're done, you're going to click on save. And once you click on save, it's going to scan again, and now it's going to tell you if your SEO score is 100 or it's less. So if it isn't, as long as you have a problem, it's going to give you the option to optimize, and you can optimize and make sure your website is 100%. Now that's how to add keywords on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.